This is Viaduct2 with its additional parts. In this video, we will see the progress of Viaduct2's additional or extension parts. Three colors green, orange, and white are showing the progress of V2 extension. Green colors represent the work which has been done already. Orange colors represent the work which has not been done as per planning. White parts of the structure are showing construction work not been started yet, and it will be start as per planning. LA1. Abutment casting completed but abutment cap delayed as planned. LP1. Pier casting has been done but pier cap casting delayed. LP2. PCC completed but pier casting delayed. LP3. Pier casting completed but pier cap casting delayed as per planned.
LA2 abutment foundation completed but abutment wall delayed as planned. LP4 foundation completed as per plan. LP5 delayed in foundation casting. LP6 excavation completed but delayed in pier casting.
RA1. Abutment completed but abutment cap delayed as planned. RP1. Pier casting completed as per plan. RP2. 25-meter pier casting completed as planned. RP3. Pier casting completed as per plan. RA2. Abutment completed as planned. RP4. Pier casting completed as per plan. RP6. Excavation completed but foundation delayed. RP7. Pier casting completed as per plan.